Hi, I'm Deborah, the content manager at Autoshop Solutions. We are an automotive digital marketing agency specializing in websites and internet marketing solutions. Today, we're answering the question of why you want a landing page on your website to target a specific service. What are landing pages and why do you need them? Your homepage on your website introduces your business, while service landing pages promote specific services you provide. With your website, it's crucial to create not only visibility, but also effective landing pages. How do you do this? Simple. Prioritize researching your competition to see what they're doing, and then you do it better. You need to make sure your page is unique, it stands out, and it tells your audience what sets you apart from your competition. A call to action is always a good idea to help convert your page visits to customers. So, why do you need landing pages that target specific services? Landing pages help get your name out there and associate it with the services your shop offers. If you don't tell search engines like Google what services you provide, Google can't find you. It's important to have dedicated landing pages describing the services you offer. Let's say you have a landing page for brake repair and someone searches for that locally. Google will recognize your page first and include it in search results. An exact targeted keyword is always going to be found easier than several keywords. The more specific you can be with your service keywords, the better. So, how does all this help your business? Landing pages can help increase your business's recognition, improve your client connections, and exhibit your skills and knowledge of a particular service. Specific service landing pages also help searchers grasp that you know and understand your customers and the services they need. It helps convince them you're the expert, you have the solution to their problems or needs. The more places you are, the more often you show up, the more likely your customers will remember you. And that's essential in converting site visitors to customers. Thanks for watching. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel.